Hello there, lovely learners. Welcome back again to our series of topics. In today's topic, we will see bonus lesson on strikes through, superscript, and subscript. So, as you can see here, I have two columns here already. Superscript, subscript, and strikes through were applied on the left side, and on the right side, we'll do together. So how to do that? So those are some of the important things. For example, strike through can be actually used when you're actually working with team, collaboration with team, to just delete some of the document or some of the words or sentences in the document that you may actually remove. So that is when it comes to practical use. And this one is, for example, used for superscript, used for example for creating, for example, meter square and metric cube for certain measurement. And subscript can be used, for example, for writing different chemical formulas, for example, for water H2O and sulfuric acid for H2SO4. So those are when it is important to use them. So in that case, we need to know how to create those things. So to create that, we have to go to font here. As you can see, here is a font. Can you see it here? So I will click here, and when I click here, a dialog box will appear which looks like this one. So you'll find there under the effect, strike through, double strike through, superscript, and subscript. So we will use that one. So how to do it? You have to go to this font, this small icon. You have to click that, or you can click Ctrl plus D, and then this dialog box will appear, and we will select our document, I mean our word, and then apply either strike through or double strike through and superscript or subscript. So let's go to the words I have already mentioned, and let us apply it. So the first one is single strike through. So I have to select it and go to font, then I have to select strike through, then I will say okay. Now it has been done. Let us do for double strike through. I have to select again, go to here and select double strike through, then apply it. For metric square, I have to select only number 2, and then go to there and use superscript and say okay. For meter cube also, I have to select number 3, go to font, then superscript. Now it's done. So the next one is H2O. I have to select 2 again, go to font, and then select subscript and say okay. Now it is arranged. I have to go to this number, select 2 and 4 at the same time, and go to subscript, and here it is. So as you can see, it is done now. We have applied strike through both single and double, and we have used a superscript for metric square and metric cube, and we have applied uh, subscript for H2O water and sulfuric acid. So these are very important. It has actually practical implication where we actually uh, want to use them. So that's why I have actually selected this lesson for you, because it has actually very simple, but it has a practical implication when actually writing and using them. For example, the first two are actually for commenting, where we are need to comment, and this one is for measurement, and this one is for chemical formulas. So go there and do yourself and apply your skill in a practical world. So that is it. And the way we have applied is we have just proceed to this font, and then once we click here, it will this dialog box will appear, and we simply apply uh, those uh, options, either strike through or double strike through or superscript and subscript. So that's it. It's very simple, but it's very useful. So apply it and skill up your knowledge, and thank you very much, and bye bye.